Hi, I'm Pedro Plasencia with Country Real Estate in California's beautiful Central Coast. Today, we're in the heart of downtown Morro Bay, where we're going to be taking a tour of a home in the Morro Mixed Condos Complex. Let's go take a look. This is a beautiful condo complex that's just steps away from dining, shopping, coffee shops, parks, a short walk down to the Embarcadero and the Morro Bay Rock. It has gated access, two walk-through gates. And this is one of them. As you walk in, there's a really nice, peaceful courtyard. It's a common area. Got tables for sitting, enjoying coffee in the morning. Nice little fountain there. There's 3 levels. There's the other gated access. The courtyard here has a really nice tropical feel. And the home we're looking at is a downstairs unit, Unit 101, right near the complex gate. Let's go on in. These are luxury condos that were built in 2009. And as we walk in, you can see the open floor plan. For their size, they're pretty spacious. They make really good use of the space. And you're drawn in here towards the living room and to this back patio area. As you can see, it's a pretty good sized patio. As we walk back into the living room, you can see there's recessed lighting, designer light fixtures. Got space for a desk and dining area. And there's nice wood shutters throughout. The kitchen has granite countertops. And if we take a look at these cupboards, you'll see the seller install these heavy-duty drawer organizers that are stylish and functional. They really help with the space here. Let's go take a look at the bedroom. It's really good size. And like in the living areas, you have the wood shutters. And an ensuite bath. The bathroom's good size too, and it's been upgraded. A nice countertop, floor tile, shower with frosted privacy glass. And you also have a walk-in closet with custom organizer. And we also have the convenience of a half bath here. There are baseboard heaters in the living areas and in the bedroom. You have your own laundry right here in the unit. Let's go take a look at some of the other amenities here in the complex. We're here in the parking garage, and you can see there's secure gated entry. There's the elevator. And this unit comes with 1 designated parking space, and there are guest parking spaces too. This unit's right across from the elevator, which takes us down to the garage. There's also a shared rooftop patio we'll go check out now. Here we are at the rooftop patio. Great timing, it's almost sunset. And you can see the ocean views of the Morro Rock and the stacks. It's classic Morro Bay.